Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrappin' Happy. I wanted to show you something really quick. I see people making journals all the time, and I like to see what they've actually done with them. I'm not so much of a journaler per se, but I sure like to, I guess, scrapbook, memory keep kind of thing. So my granddaughter is 21 months old, and I made this for her newborn baby book kind of thing. And I wanted to just do a little kind of, oh, look at a baby. Alright, that's her daddy. And that's her. Oh my gosh. And I had tons of little Disney things I was able to print out and use. Oh God. Okay, this isn't going to be quick, is it? Okay, look at this. No, he's so handsome. That's her daddy. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm done. I'm toast. So I just went through, and I would write things, kind of notes to her, or kind of some of them actually are notes to her, and some of them are just kind of so I don't forget, because so cute. And I kept the storybook intact. And I also am very careful. If I can't do it the full size, I don't use that book. I don't like to have to cut or fold my pages, because if you cut that thing off here, the golden, you can't, your book pages don't fit back in it. And I don't like folding them and cutting them. So if I can't do it the full size, I use a different book. And I also think I have a tutorial. If I find it, I will attach it in case you're wanting to make one where you can use the full size pages. Anyway, I kept them intact, and I don't think, I may have put little things, but I didn't cover up. So here's some more journaling and oh gosh. Oh, little remedies. First time we had to buy her some nose spray or whatever it was for her little bitty stuffy nose. So I would put like packaging of things we bought, little pictures, and I printed them out on either a presentation paper or a heavier, better than the bottom line copy paper, like the next level or two up. And they work as long as your ink is filled up right. They're good. And then just just lots of things. And the funny thing is, we haven't gotten to go anywhere with her. Take her anywhere because of the pandemic and all that. So there's not much in here that's out of the house, or not packaging or something. Oh my gosh, I just can't stand it. And this little dress, yeah, you probably can't. It's got a denim top and then a tutu for the bottom. I have it. She outgrew it like in 30 seconds. I have it. And when I get brave enough, I'm going to try to make a journal cover. Like maybe for her next book out of it. Because it's just so cute. And I can't stand it. Okay, so just wanting to These are like, I have a whole stack of Disney Trivial Pursuit cards. Perfect. Look at her. Goodness. Oh, and here's the, I guess this was a trip we went out of the house for when we went and got her helmet. I got, you know, stuff from there and things. Boop. But like this paper is just red, and then it's little pieces of, you know, the grid graph paper, and then just black. It just kind of, I did it to kind of match. I mean, that is so free. A little bit of spraying. I mean, there's nothing. Oh, Beauty and the Beast. She was Belle for Halloween last year when she was about 6 months old. And there's her Beast. Okay, I'm really going to stop. Look at that face. I'm not going to say anything else. I'm just going to flip through. I put this little playing card, a Disney playing card, on with a brad. Fabric pocket. Okay, I have to say this. This is me when I was cute. And there was a picture that we came across that looked a lot like her, and it just blew my mind because I hadn't seen it in person. But I definitely saw it in those pictures. Family, Thanksgiving. Oh, this was a sweet little stuffed animal she got. So I kept that because it was so sweet. But you know, you don't have to know how to junk journal. You don't have to know what to do with a junk journal. You just stick stuff in there. Like this is a packaging of this sweetest little squeaky toy she got, and my dog wanted it so bad. And she would walk over and she would sniff it and she would nudge it with her nose, but she would never get it. I was so proud of her. So that's special. Okay, we're going to be checking this out. Hopefully that's just packaging and not a real card, because, you know, I could go shopping. Oh, this was their last year's. I have this year's too. But this is what I mean. You don't have to have, you know, field trips and all these fabulous things. Just put stuff, everyday stuff that you come across. You can write a little story. You can just jot notes if you're not a real journaler. You know, just fun stuff. Oh, here's another. Oh, pocket. Alright, so that's volume 1. And I can't remember how old we went to, but I will show you. Here's volume 2, which I got, I just ordered a brand new book. That way I knew I wouldn't have to cut off anything. And this is, it's a little piece of hair. Yes, I'm one of those. So again, I kept the story in order and intact. And then another little trip to the craniologist, and I had a little thing. Dictionary words, definitions of things that, you know, baby. I think I've got princess and, you know, all those things. Cut up a box of flashcards that she loves. And just put that in there as a reminder. The kid loved Melba toast. And then here's just a journal card with a pretty belly band. Now my ink. This is what I meant a while ago when I said if your ink is good. I had run out of yellow, but I didn't know it. Or not run out, but it had gotten low, and a notice came up on the printer, but I wasn't the one who was printing, so I didn't know. So I printed pages and pages of little pictures. So we have a lot of pink stuff in here. But look how funny she is. She's sticking her face against the cage. So funny. So that was... She was about 9.5 months old. So the first book was there. This one's going to hopefully go through up to her 2nd birthday. And then I'll start in, her birthday's in April. So I'll do like from April to April if it fits. Kind of do a year long, not a calendar year, but her birth years, I guess. So here was last Valentine's Day. We did go out to dinner, or lunch. This was before the pandemic. Well, it wasn't really, but it was before we knew it was. We're huge Harry Potter fans, and I have redone my daughter's room in a Harry Potter bedroom, and we bought a Dobby, of course, and my granddaughter walked around carrying it and called it her baby, which I thought was so adorable. So I had to keep that. She's swinging out in the backyard. More pictures, and this is what I mean, pink. Look at that. She got my thighs. And then just, this was cut out of the bag that, I didn't give her an Easter basket. I gave her an Easter bag, and I cut it up and just used it as a page. The first time we had to buy Tylenol. Here's her birthday, and we used the wrapping paper as pages and put that all in here. She absolutely loves Eggo waffles, and from now on to the rest of my life they will be called Fuffles, because that's what she calls them. This is I don't know if you can see what it says. It says Love. There's a filter on Snapchat, I think, but my grandmother's name is Love, and I just thought that was great. Just more little stories, because I do forget things, and I want to remember this stuff. So I just have to write lots of little notes and stories and things. We do, when school started, her mom's a high school English teacher. When school started this past year, I got her a bag. We get to keep her during the day while Mom and Dad are at work. And so I got her a bag of school supplies and a little school outfit. It's ladybug stuff. And, you know, crayons and color books and a little calculator, because, you know, every 18-month-old needs a calculator. And bunch of flashcards. Anyway, so every morning after breakfast we have our academic hour, and she loves, and don't get stuff out of order. She's got several different sets of flashcards, and you need to do them in order. Don't switch it up because it bothers her. And then she colors for a while, and then she, you know, all these, and when she's done, she wants down, and so she cleans up her school stuff, and we go play. Yeah, I love my life. Here's some more peacock stuff. And I think, oh yeah. she absolutely, here's our window or off our porch or something, and she saw the peacocks one day, and so this is her inside the house pointing out at a peacock, and this is the screen of the window, and it looks like tumbleweeds, but it's really not. But anyway, she loves peacocks, and she points to, I have several things in the living room that have peacocks, and so she'll point to all the different things, and then she'll point out the window and tell me that the peacocks are outside, which I think is brilliant, because, you know, she is a rocket scientist. Like I said, her mom's a high school teacher, and so homecoming this past year, the mom was about this big. Oh, sorry, you can't see my hands. About this big. It was baby sized. This was her Halloween costume. So I thought it was perfect for these. She was Mira, the royal detective. Thanksgiving. 5 Miss San Miguel's. 90 years old, and I think 19 months old. My daughter-in-law. And then this actually was December. This stuff here was a the kids meal bag from Chick-fil-A, and it was so cute. It's kind of it's a little bitty her. So I cut that all up. This is this year's Christmas card, and Christmas Day. And then this one starts 2021. So I've put in some things for January already. Okay. Okay, I said I wasn't gonna keep doing this, but can you stand it? She's so, oh my gosh, my heart just pitter pats. All right, I guess that's it. So I just wanted to show you, even if you don't have a bunch of places to go and things to put in a book, you still have everyday things, and you got packaging, and you got little stories, and you got you know, stuff, snapshots, whatever. I actually don't know if this is gonna last another 3 months, but we'll see. Okay, that was it. I hope y'all have a good day. Thank you.